salute to everybody out there that got their hands on the Jordan 5 Reimagined. These shoes are sold out everywhere, but they do have some sizes available in toddler, preschool, and grade school on Foot Locker. I won on a raffle on Hibbit for my 10-year-old son.
That'll roll one-on-one.
Like this,
I'm legally blind.
Now, let me show y'all a video of his reaction when he opened up the box. Let's go. All right, son. These are for you.
Ooh, I like it. I like them.
Like them, y'all. When I went to Hibbit earlier to go pick these shoes up, man, it was a line outside the door. And I asked the guy behind the counter, I'm like, what's that line for? He said, it's for people that's waiting to see if their size is available. You know, the people that didn't come pick their shoes up, they hit on the raffle. I said, damn. I said, I didn't know these shoes was a big deal. He was like, yeah, they came out in 2014 and it's a big deal. So I'm like, yeah. I didn't try to get these shoes because I don't like how Jordan 5s look on my feet, but I do like the colorway. The colorway is fire. And besides, your boy hit on the Foamposite Galaxy. Review coming soon. These shoes was $90 plus tax, $97.43. The colorway, black, white, and metallic silver. Taking a closer look at the shoe, you have a nubuck upper with a 3M reflective tongue. Looking at the side of the shoe, your shark teeth metallic silver on the midsole, translucent net and translucent bottom just a little bit, and on the heel of the shoe you have Nike Air branding. So are these shoes hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. Now let's go see how these shoes look on feet. Let's go.